Come on, babe, sit on my head. Ow! Don't pluck me balls. Now both of you doing it. Oh, great. Oh, that's great. You're going to start to use my hair to build a nest. Oh, that's brilliant. That really is brilliant. Ow. Come on, sweetie. You can sit on my head. You both can sit on me. It's weird. Kermit will sit on my head for as long as he wants to. But he won't hardly sit on my hand. These two probably would build a nest on my head if they could. I think my head is the only place they haven't actually had sex yet. Out of everyone in my flat. Oh, he's gone. Have a lovely rest of the day. Say bye, babe. Yeah. No. Don't look at me. Look at them. Don't look at me.